Okay guys, today I'm going to show you the main basic step in American Rumba. And the first step that dancer starts to learn Rumba is a box step. Boys and girls actually has the same steps, but we start from the boys. They just start from the different part. Boys and girls, follow me all together. So we stay on the right leg, and actually this move reminds me of the small box in slow waltz. But we're not going like lowering and rising like in a waltz. We stay in the straight legs and we point the toe and go toe flat. We're staying on the right, we make a step on the left forward, and we have this step like a slow step. Then we have side step to the right. This is quick, and then we close and switch weight. This is also quick. Then we make a backward step on the right leg. This is slow. Then we make a side step. This is quick, quick. So it goes left, right, left, right, left, right. Is forward, side, close, replace weight, right, backward, side, and close and replace weight. And let's go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And girls starts from the backward part, so they stay on the left leg and they go right, left, right, left, right, left, backward, side, replace, left, right, replace. Oh my god. Backward, side, replace, forward, side, replace. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Okay, if I'm mirroring to you, boys starts with the left forward, then they go side, close, then backward, side, close, forward, side, close, backward. You can hold the arms like here or here, whatever is comfortable for you right now. And girl starts from the backward part. They go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. That's the basic step, and I will show you this move to music. But before that, I also want to say that American Rumba is pretty much similar to international Rumba. Of course, in American Rumba we have a lot of block steps and some patterns that are similar like in salsa. But we have like pretty much the same moves, but they have different names of that moves. For example, crossover breaks in American Rumba, it's like in New York in international Rumba, and for example, spot turn is pretty much like the same name. And what you need just to know, in international Rumba, we start from count 2, and we go 2, 3, 4, 1. And for example, 2, 3, 4, 1. It's the same quick, quick, slow, but we start on 2. In American Rumba, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And like not a lot of people count like that. They usually count slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. But this slow starts on 1, 1, 2. In international Rumba, it's 4, 1. And if you know at least one Rumba, either American or international, you just basically switch when you start to count slow, and that's it. You can grab a partner in a social party if that partner knows only one style of the Rumba, and look confident and great. Let me show you, for example, international Rumba, how we count. We go 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And in American Rumba we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me show you the box step to music as I promised, okay? Let's start. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow. And girls start from this part, when the boy goes forward. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And let's do mirroring. Slow, quick, quick. That's a boy's hand hold. Girls, this one. Slow. Oh, if I'm doing mirroring, I need to do that. And girls starts here. I'm mirroring the frame also, guys. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. So this is boy's hand hold and this is girl's hand hold. And you can do then international rumba if you know some moves from that. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, and keep going and do whatever you want. Okay guys, thanks for watching me until the end. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, don't give me a thumbs down, okay? Deal? Subscribe and thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, I always say always the same. Let me do something new, I don't know. What I can do something new? Something. Something. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. I already said that. If this video will get what? I don't know. No. Let's say, I know. No, don't do that. Write your comments down below. I will pick 10 best and I'll do Q&A video. Okay?